In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix PS5 controller issues, whether it's drift, not responding, or your connection. Before we do get in this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But by far, the first and easiest fix is to play with a wired connection instead of wireless. Take something like a USB-C cable and just connect your DualSense controller directly to that PS5. A wired connection is going to give you better responsiveness. It's going to give you fewer connection issues and it's going to give you less input delay. And this alone will fix a lot of your controller problems. That being said, if you are experiencing stick drift, what you're going to want to do is just check around the analog sticks. If you actually take both of your sticks and move them around very slowly, counterclockwise in a full 360, you're going to want to look around for dust, debris, and dirt buildup. If you do see anything, just simply blow very gently around the sticks to clear it out. This can obviously help stop unwanted movement caused by dirt inside the controller. But on top of that, what I would recommend doing is actually going up to the very top and selecting that settings gear up in the top right, and from here go ahead and scroll down till you see this accessories section, and then go ahead and go into your controller accessories, and from here go ahead and specifically go into your DualSense wireless controller device software, select it and update it if there is an update. This once again will often fix bugs, drift issues, and responsiveness problems. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.